everyone, welcome back to the channel. So many of you had so many questions regarding Barclays, its job application process, details about the interview, number of rounds one will go through, and so many others, and also $1 million questions. How much salary do they offer to the fresher? Of course, your interest of area. In this video, I have covered everything in and out that will save you a lot of time scrolling. So if Barclays is on your dream company list, then definitely this is the ultimate video you required. Let's dive in. Like other organizations, Barclays also follows the same job application process. So many of the people just keep asking me to look for openings in the company. So in that case, you need not to reach out to anyone else since no one is having that amount of time to find suitable profiles for others. Here, not trying to be rude, just trying to help you out. So in that case, they do have a career portal where all the jobs are listed with their job IDs. So you just need to navigate on the career portal to find a suitable profile for yourself. I'll even link their career portal link in the description box below in case if you want to check that out. Secondly, they also utilize LinkedIn very well in terms of posting their job applications. In that case, you just need to go on your LinkedIn profile. Then from here, you just need to click on jobs. Under jobs, there is a column known as title, skill or company. So here you just need to enter in what company you want to look for jobs. In our case, we want to look for jobs in Barclays. So I'll just click on data analytics Barclays, and location I have put in here. So as you can see, all the listings that there are in Barclays will come below, but right now only one opening is there. That's why only one is coming. And on the right hand side, you can see the JD of the job, that what skill sets are required, and there is an option coming over here as apply. So you just need to click on apply and you will directly navigate on its career path. So you can directly fill out the form from here and directly apply. So this was the second method that Barclays use. Next, they also keep posting about their openings on Naukri.com as well. Now, a very important information for freshers out there. So every year, Barclays conduct a national drive program for some of the selected colleges in India for both full-time application and as well as internships. So it's well and good if Barclays visits your college, but in case it does not visit, then no need to worry. You can very easily navigate on their career portal and find a suitable application for yourself. Please let me know if you need that college list and more information on technical drive program. So I try to make a separate video for that and will try to invite some guests from 2024 who just recently got selected for Barclays Drive. This totally depends on the profile that you're applying for. So number of rounds may vary, but all in all, there are going to be at least 5 rounds. If you are a fresher or having a work experience in the range of 0 to 3 years. All other rounds are just like other companies, but Barclays has a very special round which is related to its core values. Barclays places a significant emphasis on its core values, which are respect, integrity, service, excellence, and stewardship. So in this round, you can encounter questions like, how do you ensure respect and inclusivity in a diverse team setting? How do you balance speed and quality when delivering a service? How do you balance immediate results with long-term benefits in your work? Have you ever set and achieved a challenging goal? What was the process like? One tip that I would like to give you is, while answering these kind of questions, try to follow STAR technique. In STAR, S stands for situation, T stands for task, A stands for actions, and R stands for result. So first you need to understand the situation, then you need to understand what is the task, then you have to do some action, and then you have to explain results after you did the action. And most importantly, be authentic. Barclays will really appreciate if your answers are genuine enough, not rehearsed answer. Barclays is an investment bank, so many times they start with what financial knowledge you hold, or how does a data analyst is going to help in the investment banking. And many times they can even ask you terms related to finance, like what is debt, what is financial modeling, what are derivatives, and terms like that. So I'll suggest, before going for the interview, try to research about Barclays financial plans, focus on investment banking basics, try to learn and understand what is exactly going on in the industry. Next, if you are going for a data analytics interview round, then don't forget to focus on SQL, because one whole round will be dedicated to test your skills, where you can be asked questions like explain how SQL helps manage large data sets for financial reporting and fraud detection. Write a query to fetch all transactions that exceed $10,000. How do you use group by in financial modeling? Or maybe what is a join and how would you use it to link customer details with their transactions? Next, they grill the candidate on the basis of their analytical skills as well as scenario based questions, where they ask questions like how would you identify key matrices to measure the performance of an investment portfolio? A data set shows a sudden increase in loan defaults. How would you investigate the cause? How would you handle missing or inconsistent data in a financial data set? Under scenario based, some questions that they can ask are, suppose Barclays wants to launch a new credit card, how would you use data to target the right audience? How would you evaluate the profitability of a specific financial product using data? This was the exact moment for which all of us were waiting. कि बस इतना सा बता दो कि सैलरी कितनी देते हैं बार्कलेज वाले. Okay, so let me just burst the bubble for you all. So minimum, definitely you are going to get paid 10 LPA to 12 LPA if you are applying as a fresher. So this is a great opportunity in terms of financial freedom as well. I hope you liked the video and it will definitely help some of the people out there. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.